In today's video, we discuss the 7.5 biggest gut mistakes that vegans make. These mistakes often directly cause digestive issues and over time can cause much wider health problems. Roll the titles.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, just a quick reminder that I'm now offering the SIBO, organic acid, stool test and consult via my website. So if you have any health or digestive problems, then consider taking these tests as they will provide a lot of very detailed information upon which you can start making informed decisions and then start getting your health back on track. And on that bombshell, to the video. Unhealthy fats and excessive saturated fats can negatively impact gut health by disrupting the delicate balance of the gut microbiome. These fats can alter the composition of the microbial community, leading to a decrease in beneficial bacteria and an increase in harmful bacteria. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can compromise the intestinal barrier, increase gut permeability or leaky gut, and provoke an inflammatory response. Inflammation in the gut can damage the gut lining and lead to a cascade of health issues, including metabolic disturbances and a compromised immune system. Also, a diet high in unhealthy fats often lacks fibre, which is essential for the growth of healthy promoting gut bacteria. By impairing the microbiome and promoting inflammation, unhealthy fats can contribute to the development of various gastrointestinal conditions as well as broader health problems. Number 2 is too much fibre without good gut health. Consuming too much fibre when your gut health is compromised can exacerbate digestive issues. Fibre, particularly in soluble forms, adds bulk to the stool and is meant to aid in smooth bowel movements. However, if the gut is unhealthy, it may not be able to handle this increased bulk efficiently, leading to discomfort and also things like gas and bloating. A sudden surge in fibre could overwhelm a weakened gut microbiome, unable to ferment the fibre into beneficial short-chain fatty acids effectively. And this can result in fermentation by less favourable bacteria, producing excessive gas and discomfort. And for those with underlying conditions like IBS or SIBO, excessive fibre can trigger symptoms such as cramping and irregular bowel movements. Additionally, without a balanced, healthy gut flora, fibre may not be able to exert its potential benefits on blood sugar and cholesterol regulation. And moderation and a gradual increase in fibre, paired with efforts to improve your overall gut health, can help avoid these adverse effects. Number 3 is not enough iodine in your diet. Iodine is an essential micronutrient, pivotal not just for thyroid function, but also for your overall gut health. The thyroid hormones, which rely on iodine, play a crucial role in regulating the metabolism, which includes the rate at which the gut moves food through the digestive tract. Inadequate iodine intake can lead to hypothyroidism, characterized by reduced thyroid hormone production, which can slow intestinal transit time and lead to conditions like constipation. And a lack of iodine may also impact the overall gut microbiome composition. The thyroid's influence extends to the immune system, and a deficiency in iodine can impair the immune response, potentially leading to an imbalance in gut bacteria, increased gut permeability, and a susceptibility to inflammation. This inflammation can contribute to gut disorders and may exacerbate conditions such as gastritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Ensuring adequate iodine intake supports overall thyroid function, which in turn helps maintain a healthy and well-functioning digestive system. Number 4, not drinking enough water can be detrimental to gut health in several different ways. Water is essential for digestion as it helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. It also keeps the digestive system flowing by softening stools, which decreases the likelihood of constipation. When you're dehydrated, your body conserves water by extracting more from the waste in your intestines, leading to harder stools and constipation. This not only causes discomfort, but can also strain your digestive system, potentially leading to conditions like hemorrhoids and SIBO, where bacteria can migrate from the colon to the small intestines and cause wide-ranging gut issues. Adequate hydration is crucial for the mucosal lining of your intestines, which relies on fluids to maintain its protective barrier and function. A lack of water can compromise this barrier, increasing the risk of inflammation and gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, hydration supports the overall balance of good bacteria in the gut, which are vital for the proper immune function and preventing the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Therefore, maintaining proper hydration is key for a healthy digestive tract. Number 5 is a lack of variety in the diet. And as we know, a diverse diet is critical for a healthy gut. Each type of plant harbours a unique set of fibres, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that will benefit different types of bacteria in your microbiome. And this diversity in the gut is what keeps your digestive system resilient and efficient. And when we limit our intake to a narrow range of these plants, we support only a limited spectrum of these beneficial microbes. And this can lead to a dominance of certain strains and a reduction in overall microbiome diversity, which is associated with a range of health issues from obesity to inflammatory bowel disease. Varied plant intake can boost the growth of different bacterial communities, enhancing gut health, improving digestion, and even potentially bolstering your immune system. In essence, a rainbow of plant foods not only makes a meal more visually appealing, but it also ensures a symphony of microorganisms that maintain and protect our health. Number 6 is overlooking probiotics. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria found in things like fermented foods, play a crucial role in maintaining our gut health. They contribute to the diversity and balance of your gut microbiome, which is vital for the effective digestion and absorption of nutrients. A lack of probiotics can lead to a reduction in microbial diversity, making the gut microbiome less resilient and potentially allowing harmful bacteria to proliferate. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can weaken your intestinal barrier, increasing the risk of inflammation and infections. Probiotics produce short-chain fatty acids through the fermentation of dietary fibres, which serve as an energy source for colon cells and have anti-inflammatory properties. Without adequate probiotics, the production of these short-chain fatty acids diminishes, potentially leading to a compromised gut lining and altered immune response. Moreover, probiotics help regulate bowel movements and can help alleviate symptoms of IBS. Therefore, a consistent intake of probiotics from things like fermented foods is therefore integral to maintaining a healthy and functioning digestive tract. Number 7, ignoring gut issues like gas and bloating can signal underlying imbalances that, if left unchecked, may escalate into more serious conditions. Persistent symptoms are often early warnings of dysbiosis, where detrimental bacteria outcompete beneficial ones, leading to issues such as small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. SIBO occurs when bacteria that normally reside in the colon proliferate in the small intestines, causing excessive fermentation of food, increasing gas production and discomfort. Over time, if such bacterial overgrowth persists, it can damage the intestinal lining, impair nutrient absorption, and lead to malnutrition and unintended weight loss. The chronic inflammation triggered by ongoing gut issues can extend beyond the digestive system, potentially exacerbating autoimmune diseases, contributing to the development of food sensitivities, and even influencing mood disorders through the gut-brain axis. Therefore, addressing symptoms like gas and bloating early is crucial in maintaining gut integrity and overall health. Number 7.5 is obtaining health information from unreliable sources. This can be particularly detrimental to gut health due to the proliferation of unverified and often sensational claims online. Gut health is a complex and delicate balance influenced by diet, lifestyle, and genetics. When some individuals act on misinformation, they may adopt fad diets, unnecessary cleanses, or inappropriate use of supplements, which can disrupt their gut microbiome. And this disruption can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and overall weakened immune response. Poor information often overlooks the importance of a personalised approach to improving health. What works for one individual may be harmful for another, where supplements and other strategies are concerned. Following advice from unqualified sources can result in overlooking critical factors such as pre-existing conditions, allergies, or interactions with certain medications. As a consequence, instead of improving gut health, one might face adverse effects, exacerbating existing conditions or creating new health issues. It's essential to seek information from reputable evidence-based sources when making decisions about gut health to ensure safety and effectiveness. Anyhow, that's the end of today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out this one up here because I'm sure you'll find it equally interesting. And the only other thing that's left for me to say is to remember to look after your body because it's the only place you have to live. And I'll see you next time.